Have you ever paused to consider the pivotal role nurses play in family welfare programs? Their influence extends far beyond the confines of the hospital or clinic. Today, we're going to delve into the profound impact these healthcare heroes have on families and communities at large. Picture this: a small, isolated community in rural Alaska. The nearest hospital is hundreds of miles away, and the harsh weather often makes it inaccessible. In this community lives a dedicated nurse named Sarah. She is the only healthcare professional in a 50-mile radius, making her an integral part of the community's family welfare program. Sarah's role is multifaceted, encompassing health education, preventive care, and emergency treatment. She visits families regularly, providing them with essential health education. She teaches them about nutrition, hygiene, and disease prevention, equipping them with the knowledge they need to lead healthier lives. Moreover, Sarah administers vaccinations and runs regular health checkups. She identifies potential health risks early on, helping families take preventive measures. In emergencies, Sarah is the first responder, stabilizing patients before they can be transported to a hospital. Now you might be thinking, that sounds like a lot for one person. And you'd be right. But Sarah's work is made manageable by her relentless dedication and the support of the community she serves. Take, for instance, the case of the Johnson family. They have a son with diabetes. Sarah visits them weekly, providing insulin shots and monitoring the boy's health. She also educates the family on managing the condition at home, enabling them to provide better care for their son. This case study of Sarah is just one illustration of a nurse's role in a family welfare program. Across the globe, countless nurses are performing similar roles, bridging the gap between families and healthcare systems, and playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of communities. In summary, the role of nurses in family welfare programs is threefold. First, they provide health education, teaching families how to lead healthier lives. Second, they deliver preventive care, identifying potential health risks and administering vaccinations. And finally, they respond to emergencies, providing immediate care and stabilization. The work of these nurses, like Sarah, is invaluable. They are the backbone of many family welfare programs, providing comprehensive care and education to families often isolated from traditional healthcare systems. As we wrap up this conversation, it's clear that nurses are not just healthcare providers. They are educators, advocates, and community builders. Their work in family welfare programs is a testament to their dedication and the tremendous impact they can have on the health and well-being of communities. So the next time you encounter a nurse, remember the vital role they play. And perhaps take a moment to appreciate the incredible work they do, often behind the scenes, to ensure the health and welfare of families around the world.